This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Fred Marone. Open floor plan Pool.Home. Great room looks onto the covered porch and screened in-ground Pool.Home has skylights and vaulted ceilings that make this home feel open, and airy.Master bedroom has sliding glass doors to the pool area. Master bath has dual sink and amp, opens to a private garden. Separate shower and Roman tub. And a walk-in Closet.Den has a wet bar, built-in cabinetry, with parquet flooring. Bedroom number 2 has a built-in desk with a Murphy bed and has parquet flooring also. There is also a half bath located on the screened porch along with an outside shower.A/C was replaced in 2016. Water heater was replaced in 2017. Newer Kitchen Appliances Property Appraiser shows this home as a 3-bedroom. It is actually a 2-bedroom plus den. Den can be used as a third bedroom. For more information, review the details below or contact Fred Marone at 772-219-1111.